So today is Holy Thursday. Ayan, Monday, Thursday. And today has been declared as a regular holiday. Good Friday. Tomorrow is also a regular holiday. Saturday, however, is Black Saturday, which is considered as a special non-working day. Ayan. So, para sa mga HR na nalilito na naman pagdating sa mga computation, kung ang inyo pong empleyado ay naka-leave with pay, or sila ay present on the last working day prior to today, which means kahapon present sila or naka-leave with pay sila kahapon, yan po ay bayad ang kanilang Holy Thursday or Monday Thursday at ang kanilang Good Friday. Tig 100% po yun. Okay? So, kung natin kakalimutan yan, wala pong nakalagay sa batas na kailangan present din sila ng day after the holiday. Wala po. Sinasabi lang po ng batas natin is dapat sila ay present on the last working day or on leave with pay on the last working day prior to the holiday, which in this case is yun nga, kahapon na Wednesday. So, kung kahapon, Wednesday sila ay naka-leave with pay or sila ay pumasok yung kanila pong Monday, Thursday at Good Friday, dapat bayad ng tig 100%. Now, ano naman ang mangyayari if, for example, nagtrabaho sila? So, kung nagtrabaho sila on Holy Thursday and Good Friday, tig 200% po yun. So, 200% pa nagtrabaho sila ng Holy Thursday, another 200% pa nagtrabaho sila ng Good Friday. Now, paano naman kung kunwari sila ay absent without pay nung Wednesday pero pumasok ng Thursday, Holy Thursday and Good Friday? So, kung absent without pay ng Wednesday kahapon, pero pumasok today at sila ay nagtrabaho, yan po ay 200% pa din. And then let's say pumasok din sila on Good Friday, pinayagan or require sila na magtrabaho, that's 200% din on Good Friday. Okay? So, wag po natin kakalimutan yan kasi maraming nagkakalituhan dyan. Hindi dahil sa, akala kasi nung iba, pag absent ka ng Holy Wednesday, pumasok ka ng Holy Thursday, 100% lang. Hindi. So, pag absent ka without pay ng Holy Wednesday, pinapasok ka, inalaw kang pumasok ng Holy Thursday, 200% yun. May labor advisory na po na nilabas si Dole tungkol dyan. Huwag po tayong malilito. At kung nalilito pa din, siguro this is a good time to invite everyone to attend yun pong ating Basics of Payroll Processing sa Uprush para mas maintindihan ninyo kung paano yung mga computations pag ganyang mga magkakasunod na holidays or all holidays or holidays falling on the same day or holidays falling on the rest day, falling on a special non-working day. Ayan po. You can also check out yung mga dati ko ng reels na ginawa concerning this topic para hindi po kayo malilito. Or you can also follow me either sa LinkedIn or yung akin pong Facebook page kasi usually dinidiscuss ko yan doon. And I also have a YouTube channel ko saan mas mahaba-haba ang ating explanation. Okay? So, wag po malilito ha. If they are present or on leave with pay kahapon, bayad po dapat ang kanilang Holy Thursday at ang Good Friday. Or if they are on leave without pay, absent sila kahapon, pero pinayagan yung pumasok or ni-require yung pumasok today, that's 200%. Kung pinayagan yung pumasok today or ni-require yung pumasok today, si Good Friday po ay magiging bayad ng 100% kahit hindi sila nagtrabaho. Kasi technically, ngayon na yung magiging last working day nila. Okay? Ayan po. Maraming salamat. Huwag pong kakalimutan yan.